The world is watching what looks like a sudden chill between the two powerful men who claim to understand each other better than most. Here we are talking about Donald Trump and Vladimir Putin. But now that chemistry seems to have frozen. Reports from Moscow confirm that Russia has refused a phone call request from Trump, and that too just days after he made a very fiery statement about sending Tomahawk missiles to Ukraine through European allies. Well, it all began when Trump, speaking at a press briefing, warned that if Russia continued its military pressure near the Black Sea, the US could actually consider arming Ukraine with long-range Tomahawk cruise missiles, even if they had to be delivered indirectly. You know what? That single remark set off alarm bells in Moscow. Within hours, Russian Defense Ministry issued a sharp response saying that any Tomahawk strike on Russian forces would be treated as a nuclear-level provocation. Whoa, that's big. And yes, that's where the tensions really began. According to Russian officials, President Putin saw no reason to speak with Mr. Trump after what they described as a reckless and hostile statement. Their spokesperson, Dmitry Peskov, told the state media that Moscow prefers action over talk, adding that Russia won't engage in media-driven diplomacy. Let me simplify this for you. Basically, in simple words, they are saying that Putin is ghosting Trump. That's right. This marks a major shift in what was once seen as pragmatic, even friendly political equation. In fact, recently, both the leaders met. Both leaders often accused of maintaining unusual warm ties, even as Western leaders tried to isolate Moscow. But the new standoff shows that how Ukraine has actually redrawn every single political line, even between the old allies. Behind the scenes, the US intelligence resources, they believe that Russia's refusal could be strategic snub, just a way for Putin to signal that he no longer sees Mr. Trump as relevant in the new global order. In the meantime, European diplomats warned that the missile issue could reignite tensions across the Eastern Europe, specifically if countries like Poland and Romania get involved in any sort of transfer. So the question is, what does this mean? For one, the US and Russia rivalry is back to the boiling point, with Mr. Trump and Mr. Putin on opposite sides of the dangerous line. And second, for the very first time in years, Putin isn't taking Trump's call. Now that silence may say more about the future of global politics than any single missile can ever say.